Aprobado na rin ng Committee on Finance Subcommittee ng Senado ang proposed budget ng National Amnesty Commission na nagkakahalaga ng 217,544,000 pesos para sa fiscal year 2026. Ang detalye mula kay Naphtali Velarde.
Susunod na ang pagsabak ng National Amnesty Commission o NAC sa plenary matapos aprobahan ng Committee on Finance ng Senado ang proposed budget ng komisyon na nagkakahalaga ng 217,544,000 pesos para sa taong 2026. Sa budget hearing, inilatag ng NAC na umabot na sa 4,125 ang amnesty application na kanilang tinanggap as of September 12, 2025. 344 dito ang mula sa MNLF, 586 ang mula sa MILF, 89 ang mula sa RPMP, RPA-ABB, at 3,106 mula sa CPP, NPA, NDF. Sa bilang na ito, 2,545 ang under verification sa pagitan ng law enforcement partners ng komisyon. 1,291 ang nagproseso na ng Local Amnesty Board o LAB at 280 naman ang under review for recommendation for amnesty ng NAC at ex-officio agencies na kinabibilangan ng DOJ, OPAPRU, DILG at DND bago ang Office of the President. Sa usapin ng issuance ng Safe Conduct Pass, ayon sa NAC, 716 na ang nabigyan ng SCP as of September 12, 2025. 655 dito ang mula sa CPP, NPA, NDF, 37 ang sa MILF, 18 ang sa MNLF, at 6 ang sa RPMP, RPA-ABB. Hanggang sa March 2026 na lamang maaaring maghain ng amnesty application ang mga dating miyembro ng CPP, NPA, NDF, RPMP, RPA-ABB at mga miyembro ng MNLF at MILF.
Actually, sir, may additional coming sa Tier 2 which was not given to us by DBM. So we also requested for an additional of 62 million for our operations. That includes, sir, yung aming transportation. That includes also our yung travel yung services. Kasi, sir, meron pa kaming contract of service of lawyers. Kailangan din namin ng lawyers kasi mag-subscribe, mag-conduct ng oath sa kanila. And then we also have we've also requested for a tier 2 budget of 10,632,000 for the processing and issuance of amnesty. Ito, sir, yung that includes already the verification, going to the courts, going to the fiscal's office, going to the different offices, follow-up, communications. So we requested for the additional 10 million, and then for the procurement of ICT semi-expandable for computers, printers, wala po kaming budget for that.
Pakisubmit na lang sa amin, ma'am, no?
Opo,
Because yun na nga, no, that's why when I was reviewing your mandate, merong time element, and then of course pag nag-apply sila within that March 13, pasok na sila doon, di ba? It's outside na yun ng processing time, no?
Opo.
But in processing time, if you can shorten it to from 6 months to, ewan ko kung kayang 4 months, 3 months,
actually,
by
sir,
additional budget, please submit to us.
Opo, sir.
Alam ko kasi pinapasubmit ka na additional documents yun kasi yung proseso Kasi if they disapprove the amount that you originally requested, they would send back to you yung inyong request. And then pwede nyo naman i-appeal yun. And then ipoprovide nyo yung justification bakit kailangan maibigay yung amount na yon.
Thank you. Maganda ngayon, ma'am, that the chairman himself ang nagsabi na mag-submit kayo without you requesting from us. Kasi nakita niya ang importansya ng trabaho ninyo. Dahil the more applicants will be processed by your commission, at kung madagdagan yung pondo ninyo, mas marami. At pag itong mga tao na ito na process na at gumanda na yung buhay, makikita ng mga tao doon ng mga NPA sa bundok na kasamahan namin, na process na. Ang ganda ng buhay, relaxing na sa downtown. Ay, bababa yung mga NPA na sa taas. So yan po ang importansya ng papel ninyo, ng komisyon ninyo. Going to make the motion for the approval of the budget?
Yes, make the motion for the budget to be approved, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, there's a motion from Senator Tolpo and being seconded by the chairman of the Senate Finance Committee for the approval of the budget of the National Amnesty Commission at the committee level to be submitted to the plenary for the approval of the Senate. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the budget of NAC is hereby approved and to be submitted to the plenary. Thank you and congratulations sa inyo, ma'am.
Naphtali Velarde, iMinds, Philippines.